I'm going to show you how to sponsor more travel reps with automation and save lots of time in your business. First of all, here's a few reasons why you need to use the automation in the first place. One method we've been using to get reps for our travel business is to post in groups. There are some travel groups that allow us to post. Some of them we actually pay to post in. And when we make those posts, sometimes they really take off and get hundreds of comments of people asking for info. So that's a good thing. There's lots of leads, but there's also a few problems with that. It works, but it's very time consuming. So you get all these leads and you have to track them in a spreadsheet and continuously follow up with them manually, which is time intensive. And then also a lot of these people you're not friends with in Facebook. So when you send them a message to give them the info that they asked for, they never see your message because it goes to their other box that you're not friends. So out of all those leads you get that you put in your spreadsheet and you want to follow up with them manually, when you send them messages in Facebook, you can only send a few at a time, like 10 at a time, 4 times a day, like 40 messages in one day. If you push those limits and send too many in one day, you'll get in what we call a Facebook jail, and you'll be blocked for sending messages. So you're very limited on how many people you can reach out to per day. Another problem with managing these leads and prospects manually is since it takes more time, it's more time away from your business to do bookings, more time away from your family and having that freedom life to spend time with your loved ones doing your own traveling. So you definitely need automation to make things easier and to save time. So the solution to these problems to create automation and save time and to be able to reach more prospects at once without the Facebook message limitations is to build a funnel and collect emails into an autoresponder. So there are 2 tools that you need to create this automation, to create the funnel. You need what we call an autoresponder, like GetResponse, MailerLite. There's several different ones. And those will house the emails that you collect. And you'll be able to send one email to everyone all at once, all your prospects. So if you have an opportunity Zoom, you can send one email and it blasts it out to all the people at once. So you spend a minute or two doing it and it notifies everyone, which you can't do manually when you're doing the leads in Facebook because you can't send that many messages at one time. So you need an autoresponder. The other tool that you need is a funnel builder that you can use to build what we call a capture page that captures their name and their email and puts them on your list in your autoresponder. And after you get their name and their email, it also redirects them to another page. So you can send them to a video or some type of sales page with more information and then follow up with the emails. My husband Kevin and I have been doing business for several years, and one of the biggest mistakes we made was not using this automation and not using the funnel and consistently to collect leads and build a list. Let me tell you what happened. We built our first business together to 6 figures. Basically, we were making 5 figures a month, and we had a lot of momentum going in that business. But it all came crashing down when the owner had some mental health issues and it went out of business. So since we had been manually prospecting and sending people to the company to sign up, when that company went out of business, we lost all our income from that. We lost everything with our business. You had to start all over. We didn't consistently build a list. So we promoted the company instead of ourselves and our list. That was a big mistake. And we repeated that mistake several times. There were several other businesses we were in, and we again promoted the business, built it up. They went out of business or they left the country. Various things happened, and we continuously had to start all over. So we finally learned our lesson, and now we always lead with the capture page and build our list so we can follow up with people no matter what happens It's important to promote ourselves and build our list. You know, one of our friends, actually the person we signed up with in that very first business that we had so much success in, he continued to build his list consistently over the years. He didn't make this mistake that we did. So when he signed up to a new business, which we also joined him in, he just sent a couple emails to his list and he earned over $1 million. So that mistake we made cost us a lot of money. We learned a lesson the hard way. So now I don't want you to learn that same lesson the hard way. You need a funnel. You need to build a list. You need to promote you and not a company. And then you'll be fireproof no matter what happens with the company. I'm not saying your company's going to go out of business. There's a lot of good ones that have been around for many years. I'm in a business right now that's been around for like 30 years. I don't think they're going out of business anytime soon. But having a funnel saves me time. It saves me from manually keeping track of prospects, manually messaging them. Gives me more time freedom to travel and spend time with my family. So not only does it help you have a business that's going to last, because you can take the list with you anywhere to any business and you still have your leads, but it saves you so much time. It gives you the automation, the leverage to save you time. You can send a few emails, do a little marketing to build your list, and then spend the rest of your day with your family and your loved ones and travel more. This life is short. You need to enjoy it while you can. A neat thing about using tools in business, you know, some people think it's an expense because you have to pay a small amount to use these tools to create the funnels. But actually, it's an affiliate program, so you can promote that too. So when people in your business want to also get a funnel and they get that funnel builder from you, you earn 80% commissions. So basically, your tool's going to be free and you're going to be earning a little extra side income with your tools. It's really not an expense if you're building the business. So the funnel builder I use, it costs $25 a month. It pays 80%, so it pays $20 a month. So if you have two people in your business that signs up for the funnel builder so they can have a funnel, you're making $40 a month. It's only costing you $25. So your tool's free. It's still a tax deduction because it's a business expense. And you're making an income with it on the side in addition to whatever business you're promoting. The autoresponders also have an affiliate program. We use GetResponse, we use MailerLite. Both of those have affiliate programs. And GetResponse will pay you. So you can also earn income from referring others to GetResponse, which will make your tool free once you have, so many signups. And then also you could get a little extra income stream on the side from that too. So this funnel builder and these autoresponders are affiliate programs. They're not network marketing. They're not MLM. They're only one level. So you get a commission, yes, from promoting them, but you don't build a team with it. It's not multi-level. It's just an affiliate commission. So it doesn't interfere with any other business you're doing. If you're doing a network marketing business like I am and like my husband is, it doesn't interfere with that because it's not multi-level. It's not building teams. It's just an affiliate income. It's just a tool that you use to build any kind of business. To get the funnel builder, go to my website, kimsouza.com. Our funnel builder tool does come with step-by-step instructions on how to get a website and hook it all up. To get the autoresponder and hook it all up, there are step-by-step tutorials, and it's really not hard to do. There's also an option to pay someone a little bit and have them do it all for you. There is also a whole academy of videos showing you how to use the funnel builder if you want to build different websites, different funnels for all kinds of different things that you're doing. We have someone that started her own bakery business, and she uses the pages, the funnels for her bakery business. You could use it for absolutely anything. You will notice in the back office of the funnel builder, there's templates that you can use where you don't have to create the funnels from scratch. If you look under the templates, there's a section called Kevin and Kim Souza templates. That is for myself and my husband. We have put pages there. So I have 2 pages there I created that I use for my travel business. And you're welcome to use those templates. But anytime you use a template, you do have to edit it so you can put your link in it, because you don't want them to opt in and go to my link. You want them to go to yours. So whenever you're setting those up, you do have to edit those and make sure it's set up to go to your pages. But we have instructions on how to do all that. Plus, we're here to help.